Hey, it's Alvin from Priceline Pharmacy West Brunswick, and as you know, we, as a Priceline group, are starting to do a lot of beauty services, paid beauty services in the pharmacy. So we have our amazing beauty advisor, Shayden.
Hello.
And she's going to talk through a little bit about one of the services that we offer, and we're talking today about
The Essentials.
the Beauty Essentials.
Yes.
So the Beauty Essentials is a essential service that we offer here for our makeup clients, and I'll just run through with Shayden, or Shayden's going to run through with me what's involved in getting the essentials done. So yeah, what's involved, Shayden?
Well, when you're doing the essentials, you kind of just want to go for more of a natural everyday look, but like a little bit heavier than an everyday look. So you want to go for like a nice dewy foundation, a nice precise eyebrow.
So what's an example of a dewy foundation or a precise eyebrow that you might use?
So it'll be like a really good primer, a dewy to oily kind of foundation, not necessarily oily, but more dewy. A little less powder, a lot of highlighter.
I love a lot of dew. So, and do you get a choice over what products that you use on your clients when they get the service done?
So before I do the service, I'll go over with the client and ask them a couple of questions about their skin, because obviously I don't want to use anything that's going to make their skin become very oily or very dry. So it just depends on the customer's skin, because everybody's different.
Fantastic. Okay, so we're priming the skin,
Yes.
we do the dewy stuff. What's next involved in this service?
So depending on their skin type, chuck a bit of powder on, and then we'll do some light bronzing, some blush to suit, like, so their skin colour, the blush will be relatively the same colour as their lip for a more natural look, and some highlighter, definitely.
What kind of highlighter?
So highlighter is just more of a glistening type powder to highlight the main points of the face, so where the sun hits, so on the side, on the nose, top of the lip.
Fantastic. So how long does the service take?
45 minutes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. And do you need to make a booking or?
Yes, so we have a booking website where you can go on and make a booking, and you will be able to see the days and times available, and you can book through there.
Cool. We'll probably leave a booking link in the text bit below.
Yes.
So we come in, we get primed, we get dewed up, we get everything. It takes about 45 minutes.
Yes.
What else is involved in this essential service?
Well, I'll also run, while I'm doing your makeup, I'll run through with you what I'm doing, so then you can also learn a few tips and tricks for yourself to take home, which is always important.
Awesome.
I'll let you know what I'm doing step by step, just so you're comfortable with everything. And yeah.
Well, what kind of occasions would somebody get this service done for?
So you can do it for birthdays, weddings, birthday dinners, christenings, anything. If you just want to look really beautiful one day, you can get it done. And
are you doing this every day of the week, or?
So I do this on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturdays.
Fantastic. Cool. Is there anything else I'm missing out on, or it sounds pretty?
Just with the pricing, it's $50, and for that is for non-Sister Club members, and Sister Club members get it for $45.
So how do we become a Sister Club member if we want to get the discount?
If you are not already, we can sign you up at the register when you come in.
Okay.
With just an email.
I don't need to pay anything to become a Sister Club member. Awesome.
Absolutely
So
not.
it makes a lot of sense to become a Sister Club member.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, Shayden.
No worries.
Thank you.
Bye.
What do you think?